I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by prioritizing what truly matters. List classes by credit weight and upcoming deadlines, then choose one target for this session. Set a 25-minute study sprint and a 5-minute break to create momentum. Do not overcomplicate setup. Once the timer starts, close unrelated tabs and place materials within reach. Make sure to read the syllabus for grading rules. Then email your instructor one clear question if anything is unclear. This starts accountability and speeds progress. Now you move into sustained, active practice. Convert summaries into specific questions and solve them under time pressure to mirror exam conditions. Once done, check solutions, mark errors, and schedule reviews using spaced repetition so weak spots reappear before they are forgotten. Make sure to teach concepts aloud or to a peer. Explaining forces clarity and exposes gaps. Also use past exams or timed drills to build speed. Then seek targeted feedback and iterate until accuracy becomes consistent. Finish by simulating the full exam experience once or twice, then review every mistake immediately so the correction sticks. Make sure to taper study intensity the day before. Prioritize quality sleep and a light active walk to consolidate memory. If you hit a persistent block, simplify the problem into smaller steps and ask your instructor one specific question. Alternatively, switch to targeted problem-focused practice. This troubleshooting approach prevents wasted hours and gets you back on track quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.